Hello viewers, welcome to Swift for tutorial for beginner. Today I will describe and show the example of sweep loops. Sweep loops is for loop and while loop and inner loop. So at first I will show the for loop. So here is the for loop syntax. For loop for I in 1 to 10. If we want to range data, then is past limit and then 3 dot, then the upper limit. The loop will be run, and this is the print. The loop data will be run. This is I a variable, and this is the actual output of loop. Show the range 1 to 10. If you want to display 1 to 5, then playground is running, then it will loop is run as a 5 times, depend on the range. So, this is the loop. If we want to the multiple 1 into 1 1 to 2, then here is we can set the I into 5, then here is the I into 5. Each time I value and multiple by 5, multiply by 5, and this is a result. Now we will show the another loop example. If we don't want to know the loop value, and if you want to run the 5 times, then it will set the loop is set the underscore. Suppose for underscore I in 1 is 5, print no need to show. Here is we can set the variable bar name set the test result plus okay. If we want to show the name test 5 times, then we can run the loop is loop 1 to 5 range. And if we want to show the count number, then here in this variable we will define the underscore. Now we will show the looping over array. Looping over array. Suppose songs shape it up second arrays you belong with me, look what you made me do. This is the array variable. So now we will loop over the array for the song in songs. Now we'll find the song. My favorite song is song sorry, here is the we need the first parenthesis. So here is the song array output by over loop. This is the array loop. The songs one by one right in the song variable and then print one by one, and this is the output. My favorite song is Shake It Up. This is the first array, and this is the second array, and this is the third array. So our array length is 3. Loop over is run for 3 times according to array length. We can run the inner loop for j j in songs print song is so we can define the inner loop. This is the first loop and this is the inner loop. So this is one kind of nested loop. Now we will show the example of while loop. What is while loop? While loop is repeat a block of code until you tell it to stop. Suppose bar counter is 0. This is sorry. This is while loop is 2. The syntax counter will be increase 1 is loop. We will be break loop when counter will be 20. If counter equal to 20, then loop will be break. and we can set a print my while loop now counter. So this is the while loop. It will run until we set the break. At first we define the counter is equal to 0, then while loop is 2. In while loop is counter 1 is repetition is it will be added 0 plus 1 plus 2 1 plus 3, and this is the fint. We set the counter condition for break. The counter equal to 20, then this while loop will be break. So my while loop is 1 2 3 4 5 6 11 12 13 14 is 90 20, then this loop has been break when counter is 20, loop is break. Thank you. So sweet loop, there are two kind of loop. One is a for loop and another is while loop. For loop run is any range, and it's loop over any array, and while loop run until it's a break condition. When we will set the condition, then while loop will be break. So thank you so much. Today I have discussed about the sweet loop. Thank you.